Today, the POW built-in function in Python 3. As always, let's start with a look at the docs. POW takes 3 arguments. These are the base, the exponent, and the optional modulo argument. And basically what the POW function does is it just helps you do math in a more functional way. So let me show you what I mean. Normally, if you want to do 5 to the exponent 2, you would do double asterisk 2 or double asterisk 2, and that gives you 25, right? But a better way to do it might be to use POW. And so we have our base of 5, our exponent of 2, and then that's another way to get 25. So where does the modulo come in? Well, let's say we have our 5 to the exponent 2, and then we do our modulo, I don't know, let's say 12. So there you have it. That's how to do this in a fully written out way. Or to make things easier, you can just do POW 5 to 12, and you get the exact same thing. And of course, we can do bigger numbers, 5, 5. I know 5, 3 is 125. And so we can add the modulo in there, say maybe do 124, 123. And so whatever you want to do, it doesn't have to be just integers. You could do 5 to the exponent 2.2. You could do 5.2 to the exponent 2.2. Whatever you want to do. I think POW is just a nice, clean way to do these simple mathematical operations. And there you have it, the POW function.